We'll guide you through how to edit in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and start by creating a new project from the Project Manager. Once your project is open, go to the Media tab at the bottom of the screen to import your video clips. You can either drag and drop your files into the media pool or use the Import Media button to select files from your computer. Next, switch to the Edit tab where you'll see your media pool on the top left and your timeline at the bottom. Drag your clips from the media pool onto the timeline to start editing. You can trim clips by clicking on the edge of a clip and dragging it to adjust its length. If you want to cut a clip at a specific point, place the playhead where you want to make the cut and use the razor tool by clicking the blade icon or pressing the shortcut B on your keyboard. After cutting, you can move clips around by selecting them and dragging them to your desired location on the timeline. For adding transitions, go to the Effects library on the top left, select Video Transitions, and drag a transition onto the cut between two clips. You can adjust the duration and style of the transition in the Inspector panel on the right. To add text, go to the Effects library, select Titles, and drag a title template onto the timeline. Then, you can customize the text in the Inspector panel by typing in your desired text and adjusting font, size, and color. Once you're happy with your edit, go to the Deliver tab to export your video. Choose a preset from the render settings, such as YouTube or Vimeo, or customize your settings, then click Add to Render Queue. Finally, click Render All to export your video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.